So what exactly is a large language model, or LLM? Think of an LLM as the brain behind today's most advanced AI systems, such as ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Claude, and Qwen. These models are trained on massive collections of text from books, articles, websites, research papers, and many other publicly available sources. During training, they learn patterns in language, grammar, facts, and relationships between words, enabling them to understand and generate human-like text. Because of this training, an LLM can perform a wide variety of tasks. It can answer questions, summarize lengthy documents, translate between languages, help write emails or reports, generate computer code, and even assist with complex reasoning and problem solving. Now let's see how it works. When you type a prompt, such as "explain how a rainbow is formed," your request becomes the input. This ability to understand language and generate useful responses is what makes large language models the foundation of today's AI revolution. So, what can a large language model actually be used for? The answer is almost everywhere. Today, LLMs are transforming industries by helping people work faster, make better decisions, and automate repetitive tasks. One of their most common uses is as chatbots and virtual assistants, where they provide instant customer support, answer questions, and assist users around the clock. They're also incredibly powerful for content creation. Whether it's writing articles, emails, social media posts, marketing content, or even video scripts like this one, LLMs can help generate high-quality content in seconds. Another major capability is summarization. Instead of reading hundreds of pages, an LLM can quickly turn long reports, research papers, or meeting notes into short, easy-to-understand summaries. Language is no longer a barrier either. LLMs can translate text between multiple languages while preserving the original meaning, making global communication much easier. They also serve as powerful knowledge assistants, answering questions using information from documents, knowledge bases, or other trusted sources. For software developers, LLMs can write code, explain existing code, detect bugs, and even suggest improvements, making software development faster and more efficient. Businesses are using them to analyze data, identify patterns, generate insights, and create reports, helping teams make more informed decisions. LLMs can also retrieve information from large collections of documents, making research much faster than traditional search methods. Perhaps one of the most exciting applications is business automation, where AI can draft emails, organize documents, schedule meetings, and automate complete workflows through AI agents. And finally, in education, LLMs act as personal tutors, explaining complex concepts, creating learning materials, answering student questions, and supporting lifelong learning. As AI continues to evolve, large language models are becoming essential tools for improving productivity, saving time, and solving complex problems across almost every industry. Now that we understand what large language models are and how they're used, it's time to talk about something equally important: their security. As organizations increasingly integrate LLMs into business applications, new security risks are emerging that traditional cybersecurity controls weren't designed to address. To help developers and security professionals build safer AI applications, the Open Worldwide Application Security Project, or OWASP, publishes the top 10 risks for LLM applications. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it helped you better understand large language models. If you're interested in learning how LLMs work, the biggest AI security threats, and discovering best practices for building secure AI systems, be sure to watch the complete OASI Top 10 for AI tutorial series on this channel. Each video builds on the previous one, taking you step by step from AI fundamentals to advanced AI security concepts. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to AI Safety. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss future tutorials, AI news, AI agent content, and AI cybersecurity insights. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.